G'day viewers and welcome to Malaysia. This weekend we're in Johor filming the Johor Offroad Charity Challenge. It's a great event with extreme four-wheel drive action. Now with action comes plenty of damage to the vehicles, and we're luckily got the guys from Scorpion 4-wheel service working overnight to get the vehicles back onto the tracks. So let's catch up with Wen Hao from Scorpion 4-wheel service and find out what repairs are going on tonight. Wen Hao, what has been happening this weekend?
Okay, this weekend we have the Johor Offroad Challenge in Johor. This is one of the biggest events. It has been very exciting. All the teams is go very hard and very fast.
And how many of the cars competing have you built?
So for this event, we have 7 cars we built in Scorpion 4-wheel service, raced in this event.
And what are you doing tonight?
Now I'm repairing 3 of our customers' car broken during the event. And the first one, we have the broken ARB air rocker copper pipe. We already used very long time. So I'm very confident with the ARB lockers. And the second one, we have the broken CV joint. During the competition, the car is jumping very high and touch the ground when the car is full throttle. So it caused the CV joint broken. Another one is engine problem. The engine bearing is burned. We're not able to change the engine right now because we didn't have the engine. Maybe just leave it, or maybe the customer will drive the car slowly on tomorrow.
How long will it take you to fix these cars?
I hope I can settle all of this in 3 hours. Hopefully we will not work until very late because we still haven't have our dinner and we still haven't showered yet. So hopefully we can settle it as fast as possible.